Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech. Ever wish your mouse could automate repetitive tasks, boost your productivity, and help you work smarter? That's exactly what Smart Actions in the Logi Options Plus app can do. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and personalize Smart Actions for your Signature Comfort Plus mouse, so you can simplify your workflow and get more done with less effort. So what are Smart Actions? Smart Actions are powerful shortcuts that automate multiple tasks with a single button press. Instead of memorizing several keyboard shortcuts, you can trigger a series of actions like opening apps or controlling media right from your mouse. No more wasted time on routine clicks and commands. Let's get started in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of the Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2. Turn on your Logitech Signature Comfort Plus mouse and connect it via Bluetooth. Step 3. Open Options Plus. Click on Smart Actions from the top menu, choose from ready-made Smart Actions templates like Work Mode, assign any button of the Signature Comfort mouse as the trigger, and save. You can also create your own Smart Actions. To set up a custom Smart Action, click Create New, add each step you want to automate, such as launching apps, opening folders, web pages, and adding keyboard shortcuts. Arrange the steps in the order that you want, name your Smart Action, and press Save. Your Smart Action is now assigned instantly. Now just click the Assign Mouse button and watch the magic happen. Try out your Smart Actions on your Signature Comfort Plus mouse and see how much more productive you can be with fewer clicks and a smoother workflow. What tasks would you automate with Smart Actions? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Logitech tips and mouse customization guides.